Overseas Filipino workers stranded at the border of Saudi Arabia and Yemen are asking for help from the Philippine government. Ann Nunez will tell us why.
The Saudi-led coalition and Iran-backed Houthi rebels are in an ongoing war at the border of Saudi Arabia and Yemen. According to a report from Saudi press agency last week, the Saudi Air Defense Forces had successfully intercepted one of the Scud ballistic missiles that had been released by Houthi militia. Due to the ongoing conflict, several Filipinos working near the border fear for their safety. Those working in Najran have been hearing loud explosions almost every day.
Dito ngayon, palagi kaming tumitiis sa bomba, araw-araw, gabi. Hindi masyado kami makatulog sa lakas ng pagsabog dito.
Some of them hesitate on leaving despite the escalating tension. Even so, more OFWs are crying for help from the Philippine government.
Gusto natin nga ipaabot sa embahada na bigyan ng aksyon ng mga Pilipino dito kasi marami kami dito na lalo na doon sa bayan, sa mga ospital, marami na talagang Pilipino nga umuwi.
Philippine Consulate General to Jeddah Vice Consul Alexander Joseph Estomo said the Philippine government has not issued any alert level to Filipino community in Najran. Still, the embassy is doing a continuous information drive on what the Filipinos must do should the conflict worsen in their area. Should the situation turn for the worse, the consulate is ready to execute the necessary measures.
Magtalaga po talaga ng isang crisis management team o mga tauhan po ng consulate na magmo-monitor closely, makipag-coordinate po sa mga Filipino community at saka sa mga employers po ng mga kababayan natin doon. At kung kinakailangan po ay magbigay po ng ayuda sa mga kababayan po natin na nangangailangan ng tulong.
Consul Estomo has this advice to OFWs who wish to go home to the Philippines.
Ang pwede pong gawin ng ating mga kababayan, hindi naman po pwede naman po silang mag-file ng resignation. Kailangan na po talaga nilang ipaalam din po sa kanilang mga employers formally yung kanilang concern at makipag-coordinate po sila sa kanilang mga recruitment agencies kung meron at sa Polo OWA po para maayos po yung kanilang pagkuha ng final exit visa at makauwi sa Pilipinas. Or maayos po yung kanilang transfer kung yun po ang gusto po nilang mangyari.
Based on records of the embassy in Jeddah, there are about 5,000 OFWs currently working in Najran, Jizan in Saudi Arabia. Together with the Jeddah Saudi Arabian news team, this is Ann Nunez reporting for Y News.